Hello guys, welcome to HJL Auto Parts, and it's happy to see you again. In today's video, we are going to review is Range Rover a good choice if you are considering of buying a new car. Last time, Amy had her Volkswagen Golf to fix for the automatic transmission malfunction. Her parents are thinking of buying her another one for safer driving. What cars are in their consideration? Are they going to consider of brand new car or a second-hand car this time? Today, Tommy is giving Amy some tips to consider of a second-hand car as Amy's father saw a year 2010 L322 Range Rover on the second-hand car shopping website. What do they need to be aware of if they plan to buy this second-hand L322 Range Rover, and how to tell it's a smart buy? In case you are the first time to our channel, let me introduce ourselves for you a bit. This is a channel for everyone who likes car, loves car, and wants to know more about your car. We share fun things about your car and good tips to maintain your cars. So, let's talk about the fun things and good tips of your car engine and transmission. Back to our story, accept Amy's questions such like, is this L322 expensive to maintain? Is it fuel efficient? Tommy told her more stories about L322 Range Rover. Back to 2001, L322 Range Rover was designed together with BMW and for E38 7 Series. Before the successor, L405 is unveiled in 2012. L322 is recognized as best 4x4 sport car with many owners. Then it morphed into an extra luxury SUV in 2013. The upgrade power, enhanced equipment, and the luxury touches made it unparalleled in its segment. Virtually, it is so alluring and that everyone can say no to it. Tommy reminded Amy, before you make an impulse buy, better to know its common problems. Do some homework first and see if you can make up the mind to overcome all problems. What's the common problems of every Range Rover? Number 1. Creeping noise engine problem. If creeping noise from engine area at idling is occurred, it could be the faulty belt tensioner pulley. Consult with your mechanics and replace the faulty one. A revised pulley will be recommended than genuine one because the original design has some bugs. Number 2. Rough or unstable idle. Very high possibility it's the intake manifold vacuum leak that causes rough idling. Mechanics normally will suggest you to replace the gasket, especially the one for intake manifold. Good fitment will make sure the clamping force and eliminate the leaking and idling problem. Number 3. Oil leak from crankshaft seal. Literally, it's time to change the crankshaft seal for your Range Rover, especially for the models in year 1990 to 1997 and year 2017. Pay more attention. Number 4. Air suspension failure. The air suspension system adds more comfortable ride, but it tends to fail after 10 or 7 years and leaves the car awkwardly sagging. Most car owners will resolve this problem by replacing the air suspension with traditional coil springs. So Tommy suggests Amy, you can focus on the one that already converts with coil springs. It will solve the cropping up air suspension issues in the future. Among different generations, the 2003 to 2012 models are comparatively more reliable. Some unexpected problems, like differential, transmission, or electrical system, occasionally, not often, may visit the earlier models. Nevertheless, Land Rover never stops improving themselves every year to upgrade the vehicle's reliability. Let's round up today's talk. Range Rover has 4 problems. Number 1, creeping noise engine problem. Number 2, rough or unstable idle. Number 3, oil leak from crankshaft seal. Number 4, air suspension value. Although 4 common problems seems many and not good, many car owners still see Range Rover as a reliable, space practical, and ultimate comfortable car they ever own. So, as long as you've done the homework to learn how to maintain it and have trustful repair shop mechanics back you up, you still can have a wonderful time with this brilliant car. Okay, that's it for today. If this video helped you, please consider of giving a like. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the little notification bell to make sure you don't miss out any of our videos. Okay, bye. See you next time.